So we added our push or our eject function into the third step, which means it's going to eject after the second step before it goes to the longer third step. So in the first step we're at 2.5 inches, so you can't get a push on that one because it's a little bit too close. So now before we go to the next step, we'll get a push, and now we're going to go to a longer third step, which would be 6 inches. So anytime you have, when you're beyond that 4 inches and you need a push before you go to a longer cut, then you can add your eject function on the step before, and it will take care of it.